We got MealMode Monday. Thank you for coming, and I'm your host today. Chef, far from it, but I'm gonna get it done good enough. We're making stew. We're going for it. The dry rub. We got some Old Bay. We got some garlic. Get it all on each side. Pepper. A little onion. And flip and repeat. A little more, get it fully coated. We've got 3 carrots, 3.5 carrots. We've got some celery, the ends of it. That's what this meal's good for, ends of things. Got an onion, 4 potato. So just cut it in half. Now the skin comes right off. That's why I do it like that. Peel, wash, cut. All right, we got potatoes almost ready to get washed. Cut, we got the broth. Homemade broth from Marta. Doesn't get better than that. Homemade broth, best thing for your soul. All right, so stew, start with the meat, get that going, but then you got broth. We got the homemade broth. Any broth is good broth. For this, you do a beef broth. This, we got chicken broth. But any broth is good broth. You're cooking with broth, not water. You know what broth is? You can buy it, you can make it, use it. Let's talk about broth. What's broth mean to you? Heating up the Dutch oven. Let's get the temperature a little like low, medium plus. A little low, medium plus. Then we just get it warmed up. Then we put the olive oil in it. A little more. Meat's been sitting. Gotta recirculate that flour. Put it on. Don't do too many at once. Got a pound of meat, so I'll probably do 4 different batches of pan frying it. 2 minutes each side. Turn the heat up a little bit more. Right, you don't want too many. Takes the heat away, then you lose the sear. There's something to drink while you're making it, and something to pour into it. So either red wine or beer. It tastes good, and also make you better cook. Is it ready? Might go a little longer. There it is. Look at that. Look at that meat right there. You got the crisp. We really only cook for like 1.5 minutes each side. That's what you want. More oil back in there. Getting ready for the onions and the garlic. With the butter. Turn the hood off to talk here. Every hood is so loud. Cook the onions, garlic up, add the butter, help it not burn up, right? So cook the garlic onions for a minute or 2 by itself. Then next, you got this. Got the carrots, celery. Let that cook up next. So got low heat on the flame. Don't want to burn it. And it's looking good. It smells good. It smells delicious. Let that go through. And start adding some of these potatoes. Potatoes are just a guess. Cut up a bunch, see how much fits into it. See how much you can fit in the pot. That's the goal. Fill it up. Got the meat. Let's see where we're at here. Add a little beer. A couple bay leaves. A little more salt. Cooks 2 to 3 hours. Nice walk away, 30 to 40 minutes, you stir it up. And it's easy, and it's gonna be tender the longer you cook it. So I'll see you in 30 to 40 minutes. Cook it 2.5 hours. It's well done, the flavor's through. That's what it looks like.